able to access? Which is the one we are not able to access? Which we are not able to monitor? What is the one?
Ashok, please come again.
In EC2, which is the monitoring one? Which is the metrics we are not able to monitor?
In EC2 or like RDS, Ashok?
In EC2, RDS you can monitor everything, right? RDS is managed by AWS directly. EC2, we takes our own thing, right?
Yes, Ashok. Yes.
So which metrics we are not able to monitor in EC2? On the first day of the class, I clearly mentioned you this thing.
Dedicated.
No.
Which metrics we are not able to monitor in EC2 through CloudWatch? We have to manually do it. What is that one?
Is it the standardized solution, Ashok? We have to set.
I'm asking about the matrices. I didn't say about the standard solution, nothing. I am asking a simple question. In EC2, which metrics we are not able to monitor in EC2? What is that metrics? I told you this would be a very important difference between EC2 RDS.
Got it, Ashok. Got it. Like memory part.
The RAM level access, because we don't have access, because the EC2, the AWS doesn't know what OS you are using on that EC2 machine. So though the AWS doesn't have memory access, means RAM access, which OS you are using. For that, we are going to use custom namespace. Means by default we are giving access to AWS to collect the data and monitor it. So first that we need an instance. So let me create an instance. Yes, meanwhile, I will help you one thing. So guys, this is CloudWatch, okay? And this is your EC2 machine. This is your on-premise machine. So directly, when you are talking about EC2 machines, so automatically the EC2 machines have the CloudWatch access. Automatically, when you are talking about EC2 machine, how you gonna access this EC2 machine on the CloudWatch? How we are gonna do it? We are gonna do it with the IAM roles. With the IAM roles, obviously, this EC2 machine will be whatever you want to monitor. You can monitor it using CloudWatch agent, CW. CloudWatch agent. The same way, if you want to monitor on-premise or maybe other clouds, Azure, Google Cloud, other cloud machines. For that, how you are gonna monitor, how you are gonna access, how you are gonna give access to the CloudWatch for this on-premise machines, how you are gonna do it? We are using the same CloudWatch agent we will be using here also. We will be installing the CloudWatch agent in our EC2 machines, or maybe in our local machines, in on-premise machines. And here we will be giving the access key and secret key and password. You remember when we use AWS configure, we used to get access key and access password, one secret key and password. We will be using this secret key on this on-premise machine, so that when we install the CloudWatch agent, automatically this will monitor, the data will be collected by the CloudWatch automatically. I'm repeating it again, guys. If you want to monitor the EC2 machines, right now we are only talking about the EC2, EC2, but in your project, there is a chance that you want to monitor. You have to monitor. One is Azure Cloud in Azure, another one is in Google Cloud, or maybe a Windows machine. Okay. So how are we gonna monitor? We have to install the CloudWatch agent in both the machines, and to monitor on the CloudWatch, on to get on our CloudWatch, we have to give access key, secret key, and password, so that this AWS account gets connected to the CloudWatch. And here, when you are using an EC2 machine, and if you want to monitor your RAM, for that we have to use our CloudWatch agent, and we have to give an IAM role, which has full EC, full CloudWatch access, full CloudWatch access. First, let's create a role for that and add that role to the EC2 machine. So automatically this will help us. This is the one. Provide CloudWatch full access. CloudWatch full access. This is the one we have to add to this role. Role name I'm gonna use for CW access. CloudWatch full access. Create the role. Now, if you go to the EC2 machine, Okay, now see, do one more thing. Let me open the CloudWatch also so that I can show you clearly. Guys, if you see here, this is a AWS namespace, right? This is a default one, but I need a custom one. Which I want to work it out. So now on this machine, I'm gonna install the CloudWatch agent. How I'm gonna do it? Sudo user, and this is the Amazon CloudWatch agent. This is a S3. From S3 directly we are taking the cloud, directly taking the S3 Amazon S3 is an agent.dev. So if you see now, okay, now we are having Amazon CloudWatch agent dev. So how exactly you gonna debug the package? Sudo ppkg -i -e this CloudWatch. Oh, this one is not there. Okay. See guys, it is unpacking the Amazon Cloud Watch agent. Now, if you do ls, now for this, where exactly we need to find, is that we need to go to the directory, do ls. Now go to the opt, do an ls, change directory AWS. Now if you do ls, there is Amazon Cloud Watch, and go to this Amazon Cloud Watch agent because we have installed just now, and do an ls. Here go to bin, do ls. Guys, see, this is the Amazon Cloud Watch agent wizard. This is the Amazon Cloud Watch agent wizard. Open this one. See, this will help us to write a config file. This will help us to write a config file where we will be having config file. Because why we need a config file? If you are running on your on-premise machine, on your any other Azure machines, or maybe cloud machines, you need to configure the in configuration file that, okay, here these are all the matrices I want to monitor. These are all the matrices I want to monitor. For that, just use sudo. Where is the CTL Amazon Cloud Watch agent? .cpl -a fetch -config -a fetch. I think there is no space in between. -a fetch config -m ec2 -s. I think. Okay, detecting invalid JSON input schema. Just a minute. This is on, we run it, right? 1p -p configuration. Just a minute, guys. This is the config widget. So config downloader. This will work it out for the configurations. In the meanwhile, let me add this to the IAM role. Guys, to add the IAM role, just go to security, modify IAM role. Just click on it. CW access. Just update the IAM rule. So automatically this will take care of whatever we need to work it on the CloudWatch agent. And now here in the bin, it is the one where we need to run this Amazon CloudWatch agent. So the path, what's the path I given? Amazon CloudWatch agent.ctl -a config -us EC2 contact and switch the config not for the default. And configuration is already stopped. Here, that is the one. I just given the space. Okay, see now we need to monitor our RAM, right? So how you exactly, for this we have to write a script. We have to write, see guys, the in on-premise or any other machine, if you want to monitor your RAM or maybe any other things, you have to write a script. But with Amazon CloudWatch, it automatically helps you to write the script. This only directly gives you to create the script automatically. It will ask you, okay, you don't have to do anything. I will give you. You just run me. I will configure the configuration file for you. You don't have to do anything. See, now it is saying to collect metrics and everything. So now it will be asking in which OS you are planning to use this agent. I'm gonna say which one, Linux, Windows, or Darwin. I'm gonna default choice. It will be using one. So we want Linux. So enter Linux. So it is asking trying to fetch the default region based on the EC2 metadata. Are you using EC2 or on-premise host? We are using EC2. So just enter which user planning to run the agent on root, because the root user has all the access on the EC2 machine. Okay, default choice one. Do you want to turn on status daemon means daemon mode? Yes. Which port status daemon to listen to? 8125. Okay, that's fine. What is the collect interval for the status daemon? You want every 10 seconds, every 60 seconds, 30 seconds. Default choice one. Okay. Be it. What is the aggregation interval for metrics collected by status daemon? It is saying 60 seconds. Okay. Default choice is 60 seconds. Go through it. Do you want to monitor metrics from the collect D? No, I don't want to. Because again, I have to install something other. So I don't want to, because the metrics from the collect D, no, I don't want to. Do you want to monitor any host metrics? Example, CPU, memory. Yes, I want to host this metrics. I want to monitor the host metrics. Yes. Do you want to monitor CPU metrics per core? Yes. Now, guys, remember. Now remember, in 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 default. I'm just gonna give you an example. In default, when we are using CloudWatch default EC21, here per instance metrics, we are already getting the CPU utilization, right? We are already getting the CPU utilization. But why again we are giving here the CPU metrics per core. Understand, it is taking per core. Here it is optimizing. It is the CPU utilization is for the total EC2 machine. For the totally, it doesn't know how many cores you have. You may having one core, two cores, three cores, four cores. It doesn't know. But here on CloudWatch agent, when you install on your machine, it is asking you want to monitor per core. Yes or no? It depends on you. That is the reason. That is the reason we will be considering. We will be taking this option. These two dimensions. Yes. Would you like to metrics at high resolution? This enables submission for all metrics, but you can customize. Okay. 60 seconds. Okay. So I need basic one here. C. Now it has created the file agent metrics collection interval run as a user root metrics aggregation dimension instance ID append dimensions auto scaling group name image ID instance type metrics collected disk measurement used percentage metrics collection interval every 60 seconds memory measurement memory used percentage metrics collection interval statistics metrics aggregation interval collection interval and service address. Are you satisfied with the above config file? Yes. Enter. Now do you have any existing CloudWatch log agent? We don't have any CloudWatch log agent, right? We don't have anything right now. So default choice is no. Do you want any log files? No, right now I don't want to. Do you want to store the client file in SSMP PAM store? Yes. Default choice, okay. Default choice. See, it is automatically which one do you want to store content parameters for US East one? Which AWS credentials should be used to send JavaScript to parameter store? Okay, enter it. Oh, I should have access key and provided key. Just a minute, guys. Let me give the access key. Now, if you do ls, guys, see the difference. There is a config.json file which is automatically created by Amazon CloudWatch. We just has given yes or no, what exactly needs to be and what exactly we needed. Now if you go to CloudWatch, this will take a little time. I just need to run something. Let me run the query which I have ran. So, now see now okay, this may take a little time. Just wait. It will be coming in the custom namespace. The define will be CW agent. That with that name it should come. This will take a little time. Come on. Have you guys understood what we have done exactly up to now?
Yes, Ashok. We
Have you
created
guys
a
understood what we are doing exactly? For what reason we are doing?
for customizing.
We are creating our own namespace, Ashok.
Yes. We're actually creating our own matrices to check about the CloudWatch agent. Come on. It is not coming. Actually, it should be coming. It should needs to come right now. We're gonna get a data point. That was the reason I just want to show you memory utilization also. CloudWatch. How much time will it take? Why this is not coming here? The custom agent should be coming here. The custom which we have created. CW agent. Why it is not coming? Why it is not coming? Yes, let me give me a minute. I'm just stopping the sharing. That device will see what exactly is the error. Meanwhile, why this is not coming? CW agent should be coming. The memory utilization. Where is the RAM? Where is the RAM? Access, right? Custom, come on. Come on, come on. It is not coming. It is not coming. Working it out. Yes, sorry, it is not coming up. I don't know why. It should be coming up. Why it is not coming up? I'm not able to understand, because the memory usage CW should be here. CW agent should be here. It is not coming up. Install the. I'll explain this guys again tomorrow. The CW. I don't know why it is not coming, because here obviously we should be having a custom CW agent. Obviously it should be coming here, but I don't know why it is not coming. Maybe because this is maybe normal account. That was the reason. I'm not sure. So okay, let's do one thing. Root instance ID use percentage memory percentage service address 8.25. Okay, that's fine. This is showing the same thing, only 8.25 percentage resources. Various percentage we are already configured using Good. So I don't think there should not be any problem, but still it is not coming up. Okay, that's fine. I will explain this class. Let me find out in the night why it is not coming for this account. Maybe in my organizational account, if I try, I would do it, but that's not the one. I don't want to do that because we don't want to try that. 1 hour. Uh, this was actually planned for today, so that's fine. Okay, leave it. I will explain it again in the tomorrow, or maybe once I get a chance in the night. If I do it, I will able to get you in the call and do it. Uh, it is not coming. So I want to discuss one thing. Means before to the cloud watch means what exactly we have done, what exactly we are going on. Suppose now you are as a DevOps engineer working in a company, and organization means some salesperson or someone. Suppose you have kept a group of people for monitoring all these services where they are getting continuous mails. Suppose if you take an example of RDS, let's take an example of RDS. Now you have a RDS where you have set alarm for four things. One, what is maximum connections, network in and out, memory, and CPU utilization. Okay, these are all the things you kept for your RDS managed services. You have kept my RDS managed services. You have kept these monitoring tools. These are the monitoring matrices you kept for your RDS. Now you know that what we have done was that for every matrix we have created a alarm. Now guys, tell me if maximum connections got very high, means in a single time there are lots of connections coming to your RDS. So automatically the network traffic would be very high because you are getting a lot of connections, means automatically the network is very high. If the network is going high, automatically the connection is going high, automatically the CPU utilization goes high, more than 70 or 80. And automatically, if they are these three are high, automatically the memory is also getting used to a lot. So you have kept alarm, for an instance for RDS for four things. You do one thing, create a new one so that it's easy to explain. As I mentioned, you have four matrices. What are those four? One is CPU, other one is memory, other one is number of maximum connections request, and the last one is network in and out, network in something network. Okay, now you have kept a alarm for maximum connections. You have kept a alarm for maximum connections. If this the threshold, if it goes 100 connections, then inform me. So obviously you are getting thousands of connections now. So automatically, if the thousands of connections means the network is very high. So automatically you have kept the alarm, means if the network is more than 2x percentage or 10x percentage, inform me, means if the network is getting high. And automatically if the network is going high, you are getting the CPU utilization is using on the audience more than 70% or 50%, whatever the alarm you have kept. When the CPU and these three are automatically going, the memory also is getting used a lot because it has to serve all these requests, right? So the memory is also going high, means it is getting less or maybe it's getting high, means if it is a 500 GB, automatically the memory is using, the RAM is using more. So you have kept alarm for each one of these things, right? You have kept alarm for each one of these, means for every matrix you have kept alarm. Guys, if you have, means for this single request, for this maximum number of connections, you are getting 4 alarms, means all the other matrices are also getting high, and you are getting four mails, four notifications that this RDS is having this RDS, this network is going high, this RDS is getting maximum connections, this RDS is having more memory, it is using more memory, this RDS CPU utilization 70%. This will be a lot of noise, right? Because in a single time, when you are working at that time and you see, automatically you are getting continuously 4 mails. After 5 minutes, or maybe if you are monitoring for 1 minute, another 4 mails. So continuously you are getting mails. This will create a lot of noise, and your total mails will be, your total inbox will be full of these mails. I don't want to do this. I don't want this, because if one RDS in one RDS, I am having already, I know these four are there, and I am having 4 mails. Why I want? I want to have only one mail for this RDS. I want to have one mail for this RDS. I don't want 4 mails. I don't want 4 mails. I just want only one mail. I just want only one mail for all of this. Is it possible? Is it possible? Alarm of alarms. Is it possible? Come on, guys, I'm asking you a question. Is it possible? Yes or no? Just you don't have to
Maybe.
think and just yes or no.
Yes, I guess yes, Ashok.
Yes, that's possible. How? Now, if you go to all alarms, if you have created any alarm, let's do one thing for the EC2. Let's create an alarm so that I can show you. So that easy way to explain you also for me. I'm just gonna take CPU utilization. No, after this, again go back to matrices. We will create another one so that other than CPU, what you are we having. Okay, let's go for status check field. The status check is failed. I need alarm is greater than 1. The value is greater than 1, greater than or equals to 1. See guys, now I have two alarms. If you select and see, there is another one, alarm of alarms. What is you are seeing?
or
What you
this
are
or
seeing?
that.
Or if you have multiple alarms, then it will be like or means in case if any one of these means if any one of this alarm goes, if any alarm of this goes, I can create one alarm, and if you click next, whatever the alarm name you want to give, it's the same thing in alarm. Okay, and you know all these things. This is called composite alarm. What is this? His name is called composite alarm. Just let me take it out that you can see what exactly this should be the alarm name and create the alarm. So the guys, we don't want to have multiple means. If it is failed, I am getting another one. If it is failed, I'm getting another one. But I don't want that. I want to have only one alarm for all the alarms which I am been taking, which I am talking about it. So automatically you can go for composite alarm. Is it useful? Is it useful? Is it not useful? Tell me, guys, is it useful or is it not useful?
It is useful, Ashok. Definitely.
Yeah, but there is a drawback. Use your logical sense and tell me what is the drawback.
We can select once only one alarm at once, Ashok.
No,
Remind us.
no. You
No,
can
in
have
in that single mail which we get, we need to check the alarms within that.
the problem in this composite alarm is that, guys, you will not be able to understand which one is having the issue. Suppose if you are having RDS, right? You are having a RDS mission. Okay. In RDS, maximum connections or CPU or the memory is getting less, or maybe the disk size is getting less. Something is happening. If you create a composite alarm, it will give you a notification that okay, for this RDS there is some issue. For that we have to come and check which one is actually having the issue, which one is having the issue, whether it is maximum connections, whether it is a CPU utilization, whether it is the network, whether it is the memory, or whether it is a disk size. We have to check, we have to come and see which one is having the issue for the RDS. Here, why then the composite alarm is given? They are mentioning, guys, we are also giving you the option of this. If you want alarm of alarms, you can go for this. It is there. If you want to use, you can use it. It's up to you. As a CloudWatch agent, I am giving everything for you. It's up to you whether you want to use or you don't want to use. So if you ask, anyone asks, have you ever worked on composite alarms? You should be able to answer this question. Yes, I have seen this, but what is the drawback? I will not be able to understand which one is having, which one is going on, which one is causing the issue. I need to go and I need to check it out. I need to come online and have to see, okay, this is the one in this use case. This is the problem I am using. This is the one. I am not checking which one, the maximum connections one, because better getting 5 mails, you are getting only one mail saying that this is the alarm for the RDS is going on having the issue. For the same RDS, you are getting 5 mails, but in the same RDS, you are getting only one mail saying that okay, this is the alarm, or for this RDS, this is the issue. You can go and check the other 5 things, which one is causing the data. That way it works out. Have you guys understood?
Yes, Ashok.
Have you guys understood? If you don't, let me know.
Got it, Ashok.
Ashok, like, can we see that alarm, Ashok? Like the mail we get in a composite alarm?
Yes, it's the same thing, right? It's the same thing. We'll get the notification. Let me do one thing. Uh, where was it? Graph matrices. This is the one, right? Okay, go to in alarm, all alarms. Make the CPU 0. Let me update this one. And you have, if you are updating, automatically you can delete the mails, which you are having in this mails. Let me go to all alarms, create a composite alarm, just check existing topic. Okay, let me do a create new topic, and I am giving you topic name as demo. I'm giving Puneet once. Puneet, what is Puneet Kumar, right? Puneet.kumar. What is your mail ID, Puneet?
Puneet.kumar984 @gmail.
984, right?
984, yes.
Accept it. I'm just gonna do one thing. Next. Name demo.
It's accepted.
Now in the subscriptions, I will just go to the subscriptions. I will do one thing. I will just go and delete the simple notification service for this one. I'm gonna delete this one so that did you got any mail?
Checking, Ashok.
Do you got the mail?
Yeah, got Ashok.
See what exactly it was showing. Could you share your screen and show me?
Yeah.
Ashwant also gets able to see. I just want to. See what it is showing. What it is telling. Read it out.
Yeah. You are receiving this email because your Amazon CloudWatch alarm demo in the US East region has transitioned to alarm state on Wednesday, 8 February. Because ARN CloudWatch CPU transition to alarm at 8 February. Region of staging
We're
timestamp.
getting or symbol, Ashok, here.
Hmm?
Or.
Yes, because the status check for that one or the alarm rule TPD CPU.
Yeah.
For any of this one, it is the alarm rule. It is the rule. From the state change from okay to alarm, what happened exactly? Something is happening, which one it is doesn't know. So that's the reason it is thrown to your alarm saying that something which one was okay has gone to alarm. Means the CPU was before was like, what was the value I kept? 10. I changed it to 0. It was before, it was okay. It went to in alarm. So the state changed from okay to alarm. So it has given you alert. It has given you alert. Now be like that only. Let me change something. Update, get update. Come on, be fast, be fast, be fast. Did you got any mail, Punit?
No,
Did
sure.
you got any mail?
No, sure.
Refresh it.
Yes.
I think it should show another mail also for you. Go
No,
in
I
that
haven't.
mail.
Yeah, but the timings, it's just 3:30. I received a
Go
mail.
in the top one, first one. There are two mails for you, right?
This is earlier mail, Ashok, that I worked on. It is at 1:36.
Okay. Come down.
Last mail was at 3:30, 4 minutes ago. No mails.
See in spam once. Go to spam and check once.
Yeah, no, Ashok. Last mail was at 3:30 only, even in spam.
Okay, I think it has not given you the mail. Obviously, let me share my screen back.
Okay.
See, when it went to from OK to in alarm, automatically has thrown the error. And we also have to get a mail. We also have to get a mail if it is from in alarm to OK. Means we are also, we don't see. Suppose your CPU utilization went 70% 5 minutes before you got the alarm. But when you are outside and after 5 minutes, the CPU utilization went down to 70%, less than 70%, we should also get that mail, right?
Yes,
We
Ashok.
should we should
Yes,
also
Ashok.
get that mail. Okay, the CPU utilization has gone down to less than 70%. You don't have to worry. That things should also be taken care. That I think they should be giving the warning, but I don't know why it has not shown you the alert that here it has been given. Obviously, it should be given that your CPU utilization has gone to from in alarm to OK, so there is no need to no need to worry. I think it has not given that. That's fine. So it also gives that thing also. So this is the way we create composite alarms. Composite alarms. Try this thing. It's a very good thing. You can use it for RDS. Create RDS, and in RDS, do the CPU or maybe memory or something. Try to create a composite alarm and try how exactly it works out. You will be able to understand. You will be able to understand. Now, suppose now you are a DevOps engineer, you are working in the industry. Now there comes a guy who is who is actually using. He's not an infra guy. He doesn't know how to create alarms. He doesn't know anything. But he wants to monitor a machine which he has been using. He's purely he's not technical. He's not technical, but the guy is wants to see how much exactly CPU he is using, how much RAM he is using on the machine which he is using. I'm saying it again, guys. There is a guy who doesn't know anything about DevOps or maybe infrastructure, but he wants to monitor his CPU utilization, his RAM. He doesn't know how to create alarm. He doesn't know anything. So how you gonna create? How you gonna create? How you gonna ask him to monitor his one? How you're gonna do it? For this, the AWS CloudWatch gives you dashboards. It gives you dashboards. What exactly this dashboard is? Let's see. This is a dashboard. If you create a dashboard, and these are all the widgets. What exactly these widgets are? Let me see. Okay, not this one. here, the line metrics. Now, if you go to the graph metrics, I need it for the EC2. Click on the EC2 per instance metrics and CPU utilization. We delete. Now create the widget. Now guys, see, I have created a dashboard and I have mentioned the CPU utilization. That's it. Now I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna give him this URL. Ask him, okay, here is your monitor. Just go to this URL and start looking at your monitor. You can monitor itself. He says, I want to have more. I want to have more. Okay, that's fine. Go again. Go to the same metrics. Create another one. He wants to have about the network in and out. Okay, go to the one. Let's see network packets. Just want to see what are the graphs it is presented here for this one. Okay, the graph is there. Create the widget. That's it, guys. You can mention if you want, you can change the name. What this is one demo network. Okay. CPU utilization. What is if you want to mention is instance. Say this is the way. This is the way. Now the dashboard is there. Now the dashboard is there. The guy just simply goes for this dashboard and he can check it out. If you want to share, you can share it with him. See, here is the things which how you gonna share the dashboard. This is the way. You don't have to come every time to what exactly the matrices are. Here we can have all the matrices which we want to have in the dashboard, we want to have. We can keep all the matrices here in a single one. You can add multiple dashboards, multiple matrices of multiple machines here. I'm saying it again, multiple EC2 machines or multiple means EC2, RDS, whatever you want to have, you can create in this dashboard and you can share it with the team or maybe with yourself. You just want to see, suppose for production, you can create a production dashboard. For what? You can have RDS memory or CPU and EC2 CPU and RAM. And again, after that, how many machines you are having for all that machines in a single go. You just have to, don't have to go every time. Just go to the dashboard and just monitor this things. That's it. You are good to go. This is the way how we are gonna use the dashboards. This is the way how you are gonna use the dashboards. Have you guys understood?
Yes, Ashok.
Yes, Ashok.
Now here the dashboard, everything is fine, looks great. Then why people use open source? Why people use open source tools when they want to go outside? Why they are using? Why they are want to go out and use the ones which? Just let me do it. Okay. First, I need to delete this one. Just a minute, guys. Let me remove this pending confirmation. I will do it now, of course. Leave it. Now, let me ask why we have tools. Why, if we are having a dashboard, everything, why people go to open source tools, then they have a CloudWatch and everything. Why they do it? We will be talking about a tool called Grafana. 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 What is this Grafana? What is this Grafana? What is this Grafana actually? This is just nothing but a visualization tool. I'm saying it, guys. This is just a visualization tool. What exactly this visualization tool is? Uh, Let me go to Grafana. Products. Grafana Cloud. Where is it? This is just a visualization tool. Let me go. See the UI. See the UI. See the UI. Now see the UI of CloudWatch. Which one looks better?
Grafana's.
That is the reason, guys. That is the reason people use Grafana. Why people use Grafana? Visualization. The CloudWatch visualization is not that much good. It is good, but we will use the CloudWatch. The cloud. What exactly we mainly do? We will integrate the CloudWatch to Grafana. Means with the CloudWatch we will be taking all our logs. Means what exactly the CloudWatch does, it collects the logs, it collects the data. So using this one we will be connecting to the Grafana. We will be connecting to the Grafana so that our our whatever the monitorings we want to do it, we will definitely use it on Grafana. We can directly use it on Grafana so that it works out. We can have a good visualization. Seeing this, our users, us, we will always be having a very good monitoring and very good visualization. How you're gonna work it out, how exactly it is looking at. So how exactly we gonna do that? For this, what we have to do is that we have to install Docker first. Let me do that. Now install the Docker first. Why this has not came? I'm just installing your Docker, guys. Nothing new.
Ashok, is Amazon having Grafana inside it, Ashok?
Sorry, Amazon?
AWS having Grafana inside it?
No,
Like,
no. This is an open source tool, right? This is not actually AWS. This is totally AWS. This is totally an open source one. We are going to use this Grafana as a visualization. We will be taking from the CloudWatch. We will be taking it from the CloudWatch, but along with it, we will be monitoring whatever we want to use in CloudWatch, whatever we want to use, monitor on that. We will be using Grafana and we will do that. How exactly we are going to do it is, this is the Grafana pull image. I will show you. Just give me a minute.
basically, Grafana is to like project the graph. How does it go? Like in visualization techniques, right, Ashok?
Yes, whatever we want to be, whatever we want to use, whatever we want to use, whatever we want to see in a good Docker Grafana image.
Ashok, other than the technical field, they use Grafana in medical field also, Ashok.
Guys, Grafana is a visualization tool.
Yeah, for I mean, in medical things and all, the graph which you showed was like that only. So
See, it's just a graph there. They just give an example, guys. Just Docker pull Grafana. Okay, sudo. Sudo Docker images. Now Grafana runs on port -ITB. Guys, Grafana runs on the port 3000. Okay, remember this.
Okay, Ashok.
Runs on the port Grafana.
Ashok, pseudo spelling is wrong.
Oh. Unable to find the image locally. Oh, -ITT -P Docker PS. Now we have to open the port 3000 here. And role custom TCP 2000 anywhere IPv4 save rules. Now go to the EC2 machine, go to the instance. Now copy this one. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. What's time you are taking?
Basically, this is like alert management system, Ashok, Grafana.
No, see, guys, it's the same thing. Whatever CloudWatch you are doing it, right? It's just we are visualizing, means we are just using it for the visualization, for the UI concept, what we want to see.
Like, will that
Yeah.
give the alerting system to, right, Ashok?
The CloudWatch gives you the alarms, right? If you
Okay,
want to
okay.
monitor, see, we are using the CloudWatch only here. We are using the CloudWatch. In Grafana, we will just visualize, we will just monitor. We want to see how exactly it is looking, all the monitoring matrices, how exactly are looking. We will be just looking at them. We will be just looking at them. But we will be using the CloudWatch. We will be just see AWS CloudWatch will be integrated with Grafana, means here we will be integrating the CloudWatch. Automatically, whatever has been to this account will automatically showing on the Grafana UI. Automatically, it will be showing on the Grafana UI. The alarms and everything will come from the CloudWatch only. We are just for the visualization, just for the look, outlook. We are just using Grafana. Grafana is just visualization, only visualization tool. It is not coming up. Container is running. 3000 port is also open. It is not coming up. It is not coming up. See, access is also there. Every port is also open. 3000. What happened? Yeah. See, guys. Now we have Grafana. By default, the username and password is admin. By default, the username and password is admin and admin. Just click on it. We'll do. Okay. Just create admin only. See, guys. Now, if you go to dashboards, we don't have any dashboards, right? Explore, or maybe browse. Hmm, let's do a configuration first. See, guys, this is Grafana, right? Now, what exactly we needed? What exactly the one which we needed? What is the AWS monitoring one? What is the AWS monitoring one? What is the AWS metric one? See, it is having Prometheus, it is having Graphene, InfluxDB, OpenTSDB, Loki, Elasticsearch, Tempo, MySQL, PostSQL, Azure Monitor. This is for Azure. CloudWatch. This is AWS.
CloudWatch, AWS.
Google Cloud Monitoring. This is one. This is one. Which one? For the Google Cloud. We need the CloudWatch. We need the CloudWatch. So the data source gets added. Now, what is the default region? You are using US East 1, right? US means my account is on US East 1. So US East 1, Now select the data source. It needs to take the time. Come on. Data source upgraded. Now testing is going on. So let's see. Guys, what exactly you are saying?
Successfully acquired the CloudWatch metrics.
Now go to the dashboard and create a dashboard.
Ashok, is it only the dashboard that can be viewed through Grafana, or the entire monitoring system can be done by Grafana, Ashok?
Sorry, Puneet, I didn't get you. What was the question?
Like only the dashboard can be viewed through Grafana, or the entire monitoring, all the metrics can be viewed through
Yes, all the
Grafana?
metrics you can do it, right? Because the CloudWatch, you are doing everything on the AWS on the CloudWatch, right? So we have added the CloudWatch here. We added the CloudWatch here. Now, obviously, if I create a dashboard, automatically it will take it. It will be using whatever have been created, the data source. Search for the dashboard. So here you can go for Grafana dashboard templates. Go to this one. See, these are all the dashboards which you want to use. I want to use this one.
Is it free or cost, Ashok, in the industry?
This is free. This is free of cost.
For the industry too, right, Ashok?
For everyone, this is free. This is the ID. Take this ID. Go here. Just mention the one. Enter. Oh, I have to create a dashboard. Come on, guys. Where is it? Dashboard. New panel. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Configuration is done. Why exactly this is not working yet? The browse. I don't think it is on the browse. Snapshots. Where is it? Where is it? We actually take a default one, means actually we can add the Grafana dashboard so that it will work out for us. Where is this one? Is not coming. As this is free, people use it very much. The same thing. Data source has been added. Okay, I will add this one. Just give me a minute. You guys tell me just one thing. I've added just CloudWatch, right? I've just added the CloudWatch. How come the data source automatically got selected?
Like we have given the region, Ashok. In that region, it is taken.
Okay, if I give another region, there are other things also, right? Other than region, I
Ashok,
also have.
through IP address, are we doing that, Ashok? Hitting through
We
the IP
haven't
address.
connected IP.
No,
Guys,
through
on which, where exactly I'm running Grafana?
Docker.
Where, where the Docker is
In
installed?
EC2 instance.
Yes, in the EC2, what exactly we have given in this EC2? What exactly we have given in this EC2? What exactly we have given is this EC2?
Outpost. AWS access.
IAM
Like
role.
full access. CloudWatch.
Yes, because we are already given IAM role, because we are already given CloudWatch full access. So automatically the Grafana automatically has taken, okay, this EC2 is having full CloudWatch access. So I can automatically conquer the CloudWatch matrices. I can automatically conquer the CloudWatch matrices. So that is the reason, if I delete this access, if I remove this role, you will be having the problem. Let me show you. Let me modify this IAM role so that what exactly I am saying, you will be seeing it. Detach the IAM role. Now, guys, uh, wait a minute, come on. It has to go back. Again, if I give, it should throw an error because see, here the testing, it is taking it out. Let's stop. Wait a minute. We'll restart the EC2 instance so that it takes the everything whatever we are trying to do. I've just rebooted the instance. Duplicate session. This will take a little time. Come on, fast. Yeah, came here. No, if I add a data source, the CloudWatch, give the US East region, just one. Now, if I try to save and test, now you will be seeing the testing will be going on and it will throw the error.
CloudWatch carry
Yes. I have running on the same EC2 machine. I have doing everything. But if I don't have the CloudWatch full access, I'm not added that IAM role, what it is throwing. Are you able to understand?
Yes, Ashok. Yes, got you.
Just a minute, guys. I just need to drop a mail. Just stopping the sharing. It's 4:15. I just it will take 2 minutes. Okay, let's complete this one and do it. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes, let me know once you're able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Ashok.
Can I am adding the updating the IAM role. So now save and test. Let's see. See, now it got updated. Now I need to configuration is done. Let's do the input. Okay, dashboard. This was the one, right? I was talking about. What was the Nginx 6 plus 9614? Try this one. Load. Now this is Prometheus. That's fine. Import.
Prometheus.
Where is the CloudWatch? Oh, come on, why it is not loading? US East names has been given local log groups. Let's see this one, improve this one. Let's see how exactly. Why CloudWatch it is not coming? Why? Okay, let's go to a different container.
Ashok, is it because of that IAM role which you deleted, Ashok?
No, it's because we are actually trying for Grafana. Means the EC2 dashboard is totally different one. So I'm not getting that dashboard. So I'm just trying for the RDS one. See, here you all are already having the dashboard. Which dashboard you are having? You are having already Amazon CloudWatch logs, where it is showing the automatically default ones which we want. But if we want to have more, the data source is CloudWatch. We just change the region to US East one. Incoming log. We need it in the last 1 hour. If you go to the data source again, let's see what exactly it gives. See, are you seeing? This is the CPU utilization. See, network details, disk details, status check. This is the default one. This is the default one which EC2 obviously having. It's I am taking the Amazon EC2. Here we can try with the different dashboards. We have to import that one. You try this thing. Import a dashboard. Go to dashboards. Just try. Just write. Let me show you what to be written also. Just write Grafana dashboard template and go to dashboards Grafana labs. Create a RDS means I would ask you to create a RDS and go for this Grafana import what we have tried, and in that provide the which one you needed, import one, and take the ID. Suppose if it is a this one, if you open this one, there will be ID here. This is the ID. Take this ID and mention this one. Was the ID 14798 load, and here automatically you will be getting the data source which we have created for the CloudWatch, and import it. So automatically you will be having your own dashboard. Automatically you will be having your, right now I am having Amazon EC2 dashboard and the CloudWatch logs. Now on the EC2, if you see, there is a CPU utilization, there is a network details, disk details, and all kind of monitors which I want. This is the way we use Grafana to see what exactly we needed. This is just a visualization. Here, if you want to keep alerts, you can keep. Here is the alerting system. So you can keep all the alerts you want, but we actually don't, just for the monitoring purpose, we don't do it, because the CloudWatch is already having, here the CloudWatch is already collecting the data. So automatically it gives you the alert from the AWS directly. We just want to have a good UI to see the logs. See this, how exactly this is looking. And if you go to the CloudWatch and see about the CPU utilization log, mm, see how exactly this is looking. How exactly this is looking. Which one looks better? Which one looks better? In any point, which one looks better?
This one later.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
Ashok, you're audible, Ashok.
Yes, which one looks better? This one or this one?
Definitely Grafana only, Ashok.
That's the reason people use Grafana as a monitoring visualization tool. Just visualization. Just for visualizing it. So guys, I would ask you to create whatever we have done today. Create all the things. Create RDS machine, create a EC2, install Docker, install Grafana in it, pull it, and try to use Grafana as EC2. And in this CloudWatch, give IAM role to the CloudWatch full access, create a role and add it to the EC2 machine, and automatically create a RDS machine. And from the RDS, try to import a Grafana dashboard template and create a data source configuration first. Then automatically it takes the RDS and all the details. Did you guys understood whatever we have done up to now? Do you guys have any questions? Let me know. Do you guys have any questions, guys? 5 more minutes. I have a meeting.
No, no, Ashok. No. Actually, we need
We'll
to
go through the
try
video once, Ashok, today.
Yeah, sure.
because
Please go on.
there are a lot
And
of confusions today, Ashok. Actually,
confusions in which scenarios?
and Grafana part few things.
Yeah,
We'll watch
guys.
the video, Ashok. Actually, we'll
Yeah,
come
you
to know.
watch and let me know if you have any doubts. Let me know. I will look into it. I will. We can connect if you want. I will just need to check out one thing. I'm just gonna terminate this instance.
Ashok, once we terminate the instance, like whatever the data presented in that server, Ashok,
It's gone.
that's it.
It's gone. That's it. If it is terminated, that's it. There is nothing present in there.
Whatever the task we performed, no matter what, how much big it is, everything will be collapsed,
Everything
right?
is gone. Everything is gone. That is the reason I always say you, because here this is a testing account, means it is just for education purpose. Always whatever you create, keep that whatever you have done in your own laptops, means in your as a file name or something, keep it so that it will be useful for you only. Here I'm just going to delete it directly, so it doesn't make any sense for me, right? Because whatever I have done, I've just deleted everything. So I will always ask people to check whatever they have done, keep it in their keep it in their local machines so that it is useful, so that they can once again go back and try something. Okay, 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 guys. Any more questions you have? We can
No,
connect
Ashok.
tomorrow, and tomorrow I will talk about log. Yes, Punit.
Yeah. No, Ashok. That is what like we'll try to solve that task which you gave.
Sorry, try to.
We will try to solve the task which you gave, Ashok. That is
Yeah,
what I
as I said,
wanted to
create a EC2 machine, create RDS. Today, as we have seen, create the dashboards, create the composite alarms, and after that, try using Grafana, install Docker on your machines, and add the IAM role. Then use the data source configuration in the Grafana, and try to import the Grafana dashboard template for one for RDS and another for EC2. Then see the visualization on your EC2 missions. That will be fantastic. Do
Sure,
it,
Ashok.
and tomorrow we'll connect at the same time. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you.